Unit 1, Chapter 1, Plant Parts, Food Production. All flowering plants consist of root system or roots and shoot system, stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Some plants do not bear flowers. Shoot system: flower, leaf, fruit, stem, branch. Root system: roots. The roots. This part of the plant grows under the soil. Roots branch out in the soil. Root system is of two types: A. Taproot system and B. Fibrous root system. A. Taproot system. In taproot system, there is a main root with small roots growing from its side. Example: cotton. B. Fibrous root system. In this, a plant has a group of small roots. Example: onion. Taproot system, fibrous root system. Functions: 1. Roots hold the plant firmly in the soil. They help the plant to stand firm even when there is a strong wind. 2. Roots absorb mineral water from the soil. 3. In some plants like carrot, the roots store food materials. 4. Roots are the hidden source of strength of plants. The stem. This part of the plant grows above the soil. It bears branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. The size of the stem differs in different plants. Some plants have strong stems. They grow erect. Some plants have weak stems. They cannot stand firmly above the soil. Functions: 1. The stem carries mineral water absorbed by the roots to other parts of the plant. 2. It also carries the food materials prepared by the leaves to other parts of the plant. 3. In some plants like potato, the stem stores food materials. 4. The stem bears the weight of leaves, branches, flowers and fruits. 5. Some weak-stemmed plants or tea plant produce tendrils or hooks to climb up the support. The flowers. Flowers are of different shapes, sizes and colors. Most of the flowers are beautiful. A complete flower has 4 parts. They are 1. Sepals, 2. Petals, 3. Stamens and 4. Pistil. Sepals. The outermost whorl of the flower consists of sepals. They protect the flower when it is a bud. Petals. The second whorl of the flower consists of petals. They have bright colors to attract insects for pollination. Stamens. The third whorl of the flower consists of stamens. They are the male reproductive parts of the flower. Pistil. The central part of the flower consists of pistil. It is the female reproductive part of the flower. A complete flower. Stamen, petal, pistil, sepal. Functions: 1. Flowers help us to recognize different types of plants. 2. Flowers help the plants to reproduce. Fruits grow from flowers. The leaves. Most of the plants have many leaves. Leaves of different plants have different shapes and sizes. Functions: 1. Leaves prepare food for the plant. 2. There are tiny openings on the surface of the leaves called stomata. During respiration, plants take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide through these openings. 3. Plants get rid of excess water through the stomata. This process is known as transpiration. 4. In some plants like onion, coriander, palak, etc., leaves store food materials. The food is stored in leaves. 5. The leaves are green due to the presence of a pigment called chlorophyll. In the presence of sunlight and water, green leaves prepare food by absorbing carbon dioxide from the air. This process is called photosynthesis. Oxygen is released during this process. Plants themselves use some quantity of food prepared by the leaves. The excess food is stored in different parts of the plant in the form of starch. Stored food is eaten by human beings and animals. Activity: Iodine test for starch. Take a pinch of starch and dissolve it in hot water. Cool the starch solution. Now add a few drops of iodine solution. Iodine solution, blue color solution. Now observe the color of the solution. It is blue in color. This test is unique for starch. To show that starch is formed in green leaves, pluck a green leaf from a plant and expose it to sunlight for several hours. Boil the leaf in water and then in alcohol. Now wash the leaf in cold water. Place the leaf on a glass plate and pour a few drops of iodine solution on it. Immediately, the leaf turns into blue color. This shows the presence of starch in the leaf. What have we learned? All flowering plants consist of roots, stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Roots absorb mineral water from the soil. Flowers are the reproductive parts of a plant. Leaves prepare food for the plants. The green color of plants is due to a pigment called chlorophyll. Plants prepare their food with water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and sunlight. The process of food preparation by the leaves is called photosynthesis. The food is stored in different parts of the plant such as roots, stems, fruits and seeds. The stored food is eaten by animals and human beings. Iodine test is a unique test for starch. New words learned. Stomata, tiny openings in a leaf which allow air. Chlorophyll, substance that gives green color to the leaves. Photosynthesis, photo means light and synthesis means combining different substances like CO2, water and sunlight. Starch, a white substance found in foods such as potatoes, bread and rice, etc.